rocket. We're going for a bike ride. We're not scaling Mount Everest. Baby white.
You never know what you're
Got a first aid kit.
Exactly.
She's got enough sun cream to save a family of 5 on a flipping Spanish holiday. Stay safe, gingers. What have we got? Most people just take a bar rocket. She's making bloody sarnies. Jesus Christ. Yeah, but don't accelerate. Jeez, Cornwall's a bit steep. We've only just started straight uphill. Rocket's going to be ripping my legs off today. No brakes. Get to aero! The rocket's putting the hurt on in the hills of Cornwall, and she's learnt her lesson today. Look, sunglasses on. Wear sunglasses.
Look, George, it's
now it's not the time. Bug in the eye. No bugs getting in my eyes today.
I think just go in my mouth, isn't it? Okay.
Oh yeah, but because she's out hanging out, she's like, she's gonna be swallowing flies left, right, and centre. Look at this legend. Baggy t-shirt. It turns out we both turned up in the same jersey, and it's not cool to look the same. So the rocket's gone baggy t-shirt. Bruh, legend. I really wanted us to match rocket. I want to be like the rocket. And seen as everyone tells me the rocket's the real superstar, this is the rocket's Cornwall takeover. So from here on out, you will get an absolute mute. Zero entertainment. Bloody hell, there's another climb. I'm gonna have to tuck in. Settle down, Van der Poel. Jesus. Ah, she's gapping me. Ah, she's gapping me. Ah, I said take it easy on me. I've got a race to do this weekend. Right, Rocket, what's on the plan today?
Bike ride around. Maybe starting doing it backwards, really.
Yeah, we're doing it. Rocket created a route.
Well, no, I didn't.
And then she found one. And then she's found a car park that's not at the start of the route.
Well, no, because the start of the route was bang in St Ives. So I thought, 1, busy. 2, will Trish be able to get in those car parks?
Oh yeah, Trish the transit can't handle tight roads.
Found one on the outskirts in Penzance, and then we'll do a loop by St Ives, Land's End.
Oh, she's eyeing up her next adventure. Le Jog, Land's End to John O'Groats. No brakes. This is it, Rocket. Land's End, you've made it. I think the Rocket was expecting a guard of honour when she got down here. Start finish. This is it, Rocket. Off you go. Look, she's got me packed up, ready to do it. Land's End Donut Co. Oi, oi. It's the first route you've ever made where you haven't based it around cakes. Look at this bloody marvellous rocket. Well, that's the excitement of Land's End, Rocket. Got any Cornish facts to give us?
No, I've not done any research.
Not done any research? That is disappointing. The viewer, how'd you get out of it? Left. The viewers want a Cornish fact.
Bit where you can get the signpost customised. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a family business since 1957.
Wow!
That on there,
Wow! Wow, and we were too tight to pay for it. So we got a cheeky selfie. Me and the Rocket. Tight gits. We're currently battling the headwind from hell. The Rocket's not impressed, and my mind is blown. There's people at Land's End Airport. Obviously they're getting on a plane, that's quite but where are they going to, Rocket? I need to, they've got like a full suitcase. What planes are taking off? Do you know? Right, where's the next stop on Rocket Tours, Rocket Cornwall Tours?
No, it isn't one with a map.
Oh, it's your route.
I just found a route online, George.
St Ives, isn't it?
Hope so.
Huh?
Hope so.
Hope so.
Need a coffee and a cake.
Oh, Rocket needs a coffee, perk her up, get a smile. Good, oh, beauty. Scary. Get off the brakes, you granny. What do the Fuel of Champions have, Rocket? Audi square bars. Oh, we're getting there. This headwind's killing us, isn't it? And these climbs. This granny needs to... Hey, it dropped a bit. The litter. Don't litter, kids. Little wee with a view, Rocket. You cannot put that on the internet.
You're not putting that on the internet.
You are not putting that on the internet. Oh, this could be a divorceable outcome. You will not see this clip. Isn't it beautiful? I'm talking about the Rocket, of course. Oh, and the view. Oh, Cornwall, you're a bloody stunner. Oh, the Rocket's been moaning her nuts off about these climbs. Think how I feel. You're basically getting dragged up there. She's not even trying. I've got snot coming out of my nose. I'm hanging on. I think this is one of the last climbs before St Ives. Woo. Oh, isn't it hard? Isn't it hard? I'll take it out of turbo now. Ah, oh, thanks for waiting for me. Ah, there it is. Ice cream. St Ives, thank God. All this way, Rocket, and it turns out we've actually been to St Ives before.
Yeah.
Just forgot that we're
It's part of a CrossFit thing, wasn't it? So it's like, I think we were in the area and then we came for
we had dinner over there. We were really looking forward to come and seeing this for the first time. Turns out we've been here. Bloody lovely. Lunch is served with a view. This is what it's about. And people think that I was the one that forced the Rocket on this ride. I think it was vice versa. I'm meant to be doing a recovery ride today. The Rocket's been ripping my legs off. Going for a dip? Swimming goddess like yourself, Sarah Phelps, you'll be straight in there. Don't get too close. That bird will have your lunch. Step 2, find the ice cream shop. What flavour are you going for? Got to see, have you?
Yes.
Got to get your head in the right frame of mind. The ice cream hunt continues, and we've just been recommended this one. The Rocket was spotted by one of her super fans, and we've now been recommended ice cream. Oh, this is it here. Oh yeah. So this is the spot. Apparently they make their own ice cream. They've got cakes in there as well. What are you going for? I'll go an ice cream, vanilla and salted caramel in a pot, please. Oh, here we go. Look at that. And can you believe it? A seagull just in the splashback just went all over me. Yes, please. What's the Rocket got? Strawberry. The real debate, the big question is cup or cone?
Chocolate dipped cone.
Oh, cup. Right, Rocket, rate your ice cream. What a view of the bins. Rate your ice cream out of 10. Thanks to Lauren and her parents for recommending that. What was it, 10 out of 10 that? 10 out of 10. Easily pleased is the Rocket. Jesus, these hills just never stop. They're bloody steep. They're unnecessarily steep. It's like a brick wall, this one. Ah, oh God, the next climb's 2 miles. Oh. Made it back to Trisha. The rocket, summarise that. Sore back. Sore bum. Everything hurts. This is so hard. That is part 1 of the Rocket's Cornwall tour complete. But it's not finished there, is it, Rocket? What have we got now? If you're wondering why we're staying in a Premier Inn when we've got a perfectly good camper van that me and the Rocket's dad kitted out, it's because this princess is a nightmare. I will only stay in a camper van for 1 night. I need my luxuries.
No, we just need to ease into it, George.
I'm breaking the Rocket in. Soon we will be living in the camper. Sell the house.
Well, let's not go out far. You might be on your own.
But what have we got next on the Rocket tour?
Dinner.
Dinner. Where are we going?
Padstow.
Where?
Padstow. I've told you 3
Padstow.
times.
Padstow. Dinner. And then we've got more of the Rocket's tours to continue. Right, Rocket, say goodbye to luxury, aka a shower and a bed. Trisha the transit for the rest of the weekend. Last night, what did we have? We had our fish and chips. I'll insert that now. Obviously, being a top husband, I don't eat fish, but I still went to the fish and chips. That is sacrifice. What is on the agenda today, Rocket? We are now, the Tour de Cornwall continues, and we are heading to Polperro before we then go back to bikes. Welcome to Polperro Adventures with the Rocket. Interesting fact of the day, we were just having some blueberries and the Rocket informs me she only likes blueberries in muffins now. Nice. Athlete. Where are we going? Where are we heading? Tell me. Talk to me.
Nice cup of coffee.
Cup of coffee and some breakfast. Absolutely no bite. One happy lady. We've got coffee, toast, pancakes, porridge, bulk. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Sorry, I'm just filming your work of art. A random question, do you have any almond croissants or not? No. Oh. No, we're not. More goods for the Rocket. Sold out of almond croissants. Sold out. Devastating. Devastating. But the Rocket just got sold 10 things more than what we needed. Jesus.
You're making it right in front of you.
Yeah,
like...
the guy is literally there making it, which is quite impressive. Influencers in the wild. Here she is. Oh, what's she taking a picture of? Rocket's just giving them a full photo. Angles, angles, angles. Rocket's on a mission. I'm going to be bloody exhausted by my bike race. Oh, do a practice lap today, Rocket. Flipping climbing Everest. Jeez. It's not all bikes, is it, Rocket? But it's certainly always a bakery.
Always.
Always. The Rocket's Polperro. Is that what it's called? Polperro?
Polperro.
Polperro Adventures complete. What are you rating it out of 10, Rocket?
9.5, I think.
9.5?
Yeah.
Bloody lot of bakeries. Dale's going to be happy later, isn't he? Right, Rocket, what's next on Tour de Cornwall with the Rocket?
Well, it's now to the bike race, isn't it?
That's a
Fun's
yeehaw,
over.
isn't it? That's a yeehaw. Here we go, big reveal from Gravel Granny. Ooh, we've got a halfway cake, which is for halfway through GCSEs. Yeah, I'm halfway through. Dell's halfway through. So we're having. Ben gets it. Is that on me? Hold that, please. I'm not used to filming on the phone. Ben's had a cake for 1 week of GCSEs. Halfway. What's next?
Well, 3/4 of the way through, I suppose.
Get a cake every week for doing an exam. I need cake every week for going to work.
You get cake every week, George.
That's true.